Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix the automatic volume changes on your Android phone. So if you're having that issue, you may just head over and follow up these solutions for that. So let's just get started. We can start by clearing out the system launcher cache for that. So let's head over to our devices settings, open it up, and once we open it up, you can scroll down and go over to the option called apps and tap on it. After you tap on it, you can just go over and find the system launcher. So look out for the search bar at the top, tap on it, and you can search for system launcher. And once you find your system launcher here, so let's say this is system launcher, you just need to tap on it and go over and tap on storage, and go over and tap on this option called clear cache, and go over to manage storage, and even clear up the data by tapping on clear data. That should clear the data for your system launcher. Apart from that, what we can do is we can go over and restart our phone. Hold up the power button for that, and once you do so, you can tap on this restart option, and that should resolve the temporary glitches that may be happening on your device and fix the issue. Apart from that, you can disable the sound volume feedback. Head over to the settings for that. And once you go over, you can just search for sound volume. And once you find the settings for that, you can head over and turn this off. Like if this option is turned on, you can turn it off by tapping on this toggle option. And that should disable the sound volume feedback for your device. You may just go over and turn it off. Once you go over and turn this option off, the other thing you can do is you can reset app preferences. So settings, open it up once again, and from there you can go over to apps, and from apps go to the three dot in the top, and from there select the option for reset app preferences, and that way you can go over and just go over and fix the issue for your device. That is it. You may follow up these steps for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.